Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to be making boli, which is roasted plantain and roasted yam called ishunyeyon. And this is a popular street food in Nigeria. How am I going to be doing it? I'm going to be peeling off the skin for the plantain. I'm also going to be chopping up this yam and of course adding a bit of salt with inside water. I'm going to leave it for like 1 hour before portraying on the charcoal. First thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to peel my plantain. As you can see, just drop the plantain there and just remove the skin easy. Okay, so I'm going to put that in a plate side. Let me chop another one. Just peel it like this, as you can see. And yeah, so I'm going to put this aside, and this is the plantain ready. Okay. Okay, cut it into two, and I'm just gonna peel the skin and just put it inside water. As you can see, you make sure you put water there. Gonna cut this into two again. Right, as you can see, I've peeled the yam. I've also peeled my plantain there, which is looking good. What you then need to do is to add a tablespoon of salt into this and just allow it to rest for 2 hours. If you can leave it overnight, it's better. A tablespoon of sea salt. I'm just going to pour that inside. Alright, there's a few basic steps. I'm going to show you how to clean your crate before you place your yam on it. So get onions, put a fork inside and just use it to sanitize your crates. Alright, you can see the ashes are ready now. That's exactly what we want. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to put in some oil on my crate, and the reason why I'm doing that is to avoid my plantain from sticking on the crate. So I'll just put some oil on it, and before I place my plantain on it. So now I'm going to be placing my plantain on it. As you can see, it's all looking good. Placing plantain on that, the corner there. You can hear that sound. You can see it's absolutely on low heat. You don't want it on high heat. Putting some yam is very basic and simple. All right, you can see as you can see, it's in the water. It's been there for over 2 hours now. So just place that, and yeah, so put some salt on that, and you have to then keep an eye on it. Well, as you can see, the yam is on it now. Under low heat, so we're looking at around 150 degrees Celsius. That's exactly what we're looking at here. So we put it on the charcoal, and yeah, it's just going to grill slowly. You don't want it in high heat, you want it on low heat, and basically that's exactly what we're going to be doing at the moment. So we don't want it in a very low heat, we don't want it on high heat. As you can see, yeah, I'm just going to touch it with a bit of water basically, and you could you can enjoy this with some palm oil, or you want to enjoy with some groundnuts. It's your choice. Basically, it's your choice. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.